Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 16. Assume that the radius of the circle is 3 centimeters. What is the area of the blue shaded section in square centimeters in terms of pi? If the radius is 3 centimeters, then the diameter is 6 centimeters. Hence, 6 centimeters is the diameter of the circle, which is the length of the side of the square. In other words, over here, from there, and right back to here, we have 6 centimeters. And that's also the same here, because remember, a square has equal sides. So we have 6 centimeters there, 6 centimeters here. So that 6 represents the diameter of the circle and the length of the side of the square. So the area of the square must be 6 centimeters by 6 centimeters. That's 36 square centimeters. Now the area of the circle, we know that the formula is pi r squared. Since the radius is 3, it has to be pi times 3 squared, which is pi times 9, which is 9 pi square centimeters. So now we have the area of the square, which is 36 square centimeters. We have the area of the circle, which is 9 pi square centimeters. So to find the blue area, we take the area of the square, which is 36, and we subtract the area of the circle, which is 9 pi. Hence, the blue area is 36 minus 9 pi square centimeters. So that's a very interesting puzzle on area, and it's very, very common to be asked such questions. You just have to know the formula for each shape.